Here is how to install the latest Microsoft SQL Server and the latest SQL Server Management Studio in 2025. To install SQL Server, go to your favorite browser. In the search bar, simply type SQL Server download and click enter, and then you will get this www.microsoft.com as a first search result showing. Click on it and it will redirect you to the official Microsoft site. When you get to this site, you scroll down and you can see that SQL Server 2022 is available for download in both the developer and the Express. You can simply download the Express edition because it is free and it will give you some features. It will give you more features. Simply click on download now and wait for download. If it asks you for administrative privileges, click on yes. Okay, now click on the downloaded folder to install it. So here you can simply choose the basic installation type, accept the license agreement, and it will bring a pop-up box that shows the install location where the server will be installed. You can see that that there is a download size, and you can check above for your available space. If all is clear, simply click on install and installation will begin. So the installation might take some time, so you might have to wait a bit. When our installation is successful, you will see the connection string, the log folder, the media folder, and the resources folder. So now that our SQL Server is correctly installed, it's time to install SSMS, which stands for SQL Server Management Studio. Click on install SSMS and it will direct you to a page to download it. From here, just scroll down and you can see free download for SQL Server Management Studio with the latest version. You can see the latest version. Simply click on it to download it. This will also take some time to download. Once downloads complete, simply click on it. Sim you can see the installation wizard for SSMS. Click on install. It will show loading packages. Again, this will take some time. So now you can see the setup completed box. You can simply close it. Now both our SQL Server and SSMS has been installed on our computer. You can now go to your search bar, type SSMS and you will see the studio. Simply double click to open it and you can see that it is now ready to launch. Here you can see that the server type is database engine, which is fine, and the server is also fine. We will be using Windows authentication. If you want to change the authentication option, you can click the box and choose any other. I will do a post soon on the authentication options. Now leave as Windows authentication and click on connect. Also click on trust certificates. Now you are connected with SQL Express Server. Now you can create a new query by simply clicking on the new query option. So you have seen how you can easily install Microsoft SQL Server on a Windows operating system and SQL Server Management Studio. If you are stuck anywhere, do ask for more direction in the comment section. I'm always there to help you. You can also check on my previous video. Thank you. Please like, share and follow.